Welcome to the final forensic update of 2016. I'm Bill Duffin. The illegal timber trade is a complex issue, not just in size and scope, but the lack of standards in testing for origin and species. A group of international scientists looked at the problem together and published their recommendations in the November edition of Bioscience. They suggest using a combination of forensic techniques, including DNA sequencing and chemical analysis through mass spectrometry to identify illegal timber in the supply chain. Verification and certification, similar to those in the fishing industry, are the next steps, but will require a coordinated effort between timber producing, processing, and consuming nations along with law enforcement agencies. What if a crime scene was like Pokemon Go, telling you where the crucial evidence is? Police in the Netherlands are working with the company Twinkles to make this idea an augmented reality. In a trial run, Dutch officers wore a body camera that streamed video to an expert in the laboratory. That expert then provided notes and guidance about collection or procedures, which was transmitted back to the officer through a smartphone or head-mounted device. The company says this technology allows more eyes on the crime scene without the possibility of physical contamination. A lab in Texas is examining their own processes and procedures with blind proficiency tests. 5 sections at the Houston Forensic Science Center use the unique program where analysts and examiners don't know if their work is for a real case or part of the quality control program. So why blind testing? Currently, proficiency tests are required for accreditation, but analysts know when they are happening. The ultimate goal of the project is to get a better picture of what's really happening day to day and help eliminate challenges, bias, and other issues facing the laboratory. ANAB and ASCLAD Lab have opened up their updated accreditation requirement documents for public comment. The requirements have been restructured based on working group suggestions for both forensic science testing and calibration laboratories. Both proposed forms are open for comment until December 9th. Accredited laboratories undergo external reviews to validate if the work and the work product are acceptable. We spoke with Frank Fitzpatrick, principal at Forensic Management Consulting, about the significance of this validation process for the general public.
They should give them some assurance about the quality of the results that are coming out of these laboratories. So you're looking at the quality of the personnel, you're looking at how the procedures are being done, what procedures they have, how they're validated, and the reports that are being produced are scrutinized internally by the laboratory to make sure that they're objective and unbiased and unambiguous. So I think for the general citizen, they should be quite happy that a laboratory has undergone the accreditation process.
The accrediting body for forensic science education, FEPAC, is also seeking comments to their new proposed standards. The organization just completed its 5-year review to verify the standards and evaluate the educational quality and relevant needs of the students. Comments are welcome until February 1st, 2017. You can find a link to the FEPAC and ASCLAD Lab documents on our As Seen on the Forensic Update page. From all of us here at NFSTC, we hope you have a wonderful holiday season and a Happy New Year. I'm Bill Duffin, and we'll see you in 2017.